Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to have you with me while I present to you Maniology, Mani and Me box. And they have decided to do Winnie the Pooh. Oh, Winnie the Pooh has brought back so many childhood memories. The videos and the books, Christopher Robin and Pooh Bear and Owl and Rabbit and Piglet and Eeyore, which is like a favorite character, along with Kinga and Roo. And so here are the little cards that come in the box, and you're able to see an example of a manicure that you could do with this set. And let's open it and see what's inside. So here's the paper and ripping it, and they've packaged it so nicely. I have not had any problems with my packages leaking or anything else because it comes with 2 sets of polishes. One is a topper this time and one creme type of polish that's yellow. Here are the plates, and they are so detailed and beautiful. I really like them. There is so many things you could do with these plates. It's like wow. And then there's a lot of opportunities for reverse stamping on this plate, and a lot of silhouettes are on the others that you can do with like black nail polish and do like silhouettes. So I really like this. So here are the polishes that came in this set. They are really interesting. Here's the topper with glittery gold flakes, and it looks like a matte on this stick, but it dries down to a clear with these flakes in it. It was really nice. It would look beautiful over this polish. I didn't do it over the polish. I could have, but I didn't. And then here is the creme color of yellow named Winnie, and I use this for reverse stamping on the Pooh Bear. I wanted to do press-on nails so that I can reuse these nails over and over again, and this time I'll be gluing them on, but I prepped both of them by sanding them very lightly with my e-file, and then I put a clear coat over them and cured them, and then I used sticky toffee, which is a beautiful holographic type gold, rose gold type color. It's gorgeous. I love this. And I wanted the look of honey really on the nails, and so this one doesn't, it takes quite a few layers for this polish, this gel, to build up. You build it up by layers, and I think I put on 3 to 4 layers with a cure in between each layer, and it turned out really, really pretty. Look at that. I love these gels so much. And the one thing I did with my nail covers this time was I went a size up, and then after the gel cured, they fit perfectly. I was having a hard time keeping my nails the same size that would fit my nails after the cure, because it seemed like they shrunk after the gel was cured on them. So that's a little tip if you're having problems with your nails seemingly becoming a little bit snug after you've put gel on them and cured them. So here is 2 brushes that was sent in this kit. I used the thin one a lot for reverse stamping and detail work, and then the other one is for like painting more on the nails, and both of them came really in handy. So I'm just prepping the brush on this one, getting any type of glue out of the bristles, and then I wanted a honey dripping look on these nails. So I used butter up, and then I just painted like honey dripping down the nails. And it turned into a really cute fall look. I was actually pretty happy with it, that this is going to be my fall manicure that I'm going to have on my nails for a while. And it was very relaxing to do this. It was really nice. Just seeing how the design just came together so neatly. 30-minute cure, 30-second cure, not 30 minutes. Oh my goodness, that would take forever. I'm glad that gel doesn't take 30 minutes between each layer to cure. That would be like horrible. So here we are, just I did like my pointer finger and my middle finger with keeping them shiny, and then my other ones I decided to do matte over the sticky toffee look. I liked the matte look on the stamping one. So that's the matte look. It's like a velvet top coat from Madame Glam that I did. And then I put like a sugared look with the honey coming down on these nails. So I used glitter and just sugared them a little bit. And just, it turned out really neat. Cured them, and then you just take a stiff brush and brush off the excess. And it looks really cool. So much fun. So here is the finished look on that. And then the matte nails I did the stamping on so that the stamping would stand out. And I decided to make some earrings to go with this look because sometimes I just wanted a little extra with the bigger nails that I have. And so doing earrings is fun. So here's the stamping plate. And I loved Christopher Robin walking with Pooh Bear with that heart on it on that first plate. I used that one for the earrings. And this plate, I really loved the bees that made the heart shape on it. So I used that one, that one on the earrings. But first I wanted to see the opaqueness of this yellow and just do a swatch for you here to see how this would do for stamping in and of itself. And it's not very opaque over dark colors. It does better over white. So I decided just to do a silhouette with black for the earrings, and that made it stand out a lot better. And it turned out really cool. I didn't have to do a sticky base coat because with matte fingernails, matte nails, if you put the sticky base coat on, the matte turns shiny. And it stays that way. So if Maniology could come out with a matte, sticky base to where you could like stamp over that, that'd be like so cool. Maybe they've already made that, maybe not. But that would be a really neat request if their sticky base coat could be a matte. And so here I'm just filling in the details. I should have used the black sticky polish. I'll put a link below because I think with these detailed plates you need something a little bit more sticky for the details to really shine through. And so I have this sticky black polish, and it picks up all the details without losing some of the detail. So reverse stamping is so much fun. You pick up your image, you turn it around, and then you can color in the image on the back, and it gives like it's more than just lines. It's a little bit more time consuming, but it makes the image pop. And I love like coloring. I love reverse stamping. So here I'm coloring in Pooh Bear, and then Piglet will be 2 different pink colors. And then you can turn it over and see how far and see the details, anything that you've missed. And then these are the 2 pink colors I picked out, Primrose and Nightingale. And I haven't been working with my polishes for Maniology for a while, and so I forgot to shake my bottles. And so I think that could also hinder picking up details with some of the polishes. You have to shake them, warm them up. My room is pretty cold. Temperature changes a lot in my room, and so that will affect how things get picked up with them. This is interesting. I didn't let it dry enough, so it's a really iffy situation when you go to pick up a reverse stamped image because it can turn slimy still and it hasn't gotten sticky dry. It's a fine line. So once it turned out all right, but you can see how it's smudged a little bit. So I have to put a gel coat over the top of the stamping so that it sticks and stays. I have tried to just put nail polish over the top of gel, a nail polish covering coat, but it peels off right away. It has to be a gel top coat to preserve the stamping so that it won't chip, and it will last forever, for the life of your nails, and it won't chip. So The gel top coat, the matte top coat that I chose, did smear it a little bit. And I was like, oh, all this time and it smeared, but I did my best. And this is the set, how it turned out. I love the bumblebee coming out of the honey on that one nail. That was so cute. That turned out well. And here are the earrings, one of them. And then here's the other set that I did. And here's how I made my earrings. The tool that I used to make the hole came from Amazon, and it's a jewelry tool. I'll put the link also in the description box for this. I've used it so many times. Or you can use your e-file with a very sharp pointed nail file part. You can do that too. These findings I got in a pack from Hobby Lobby, like for just $. It was so inexpensive. So here's the set. It turned out so cute. I really like it. So here's the press-on nails. I decided to glue them instead of using stickers. And LA Colors, this glue is good. I like it. I am on my second day, and usually my nails are oily and they're still on. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Usually they are starting to pop off because I've been using old glue. I didn't realize how old my glue was until I saw that the longevity of my nails were being affected, and that's when I decided I need fresh glue. And now things are holding. They're a part of my hands. They don't feel like press-ons. They feel really secure. So I like using the double-sided tabs for making things not so permanent, especially if I'm doing longer nails for like just a very temporary look. But these I really wanted to keep around for a while. So here's what one hand looks like. Love it. And then filing and just buffing the shine off. I didn't show that, but I did do that with the other hand, and that will help with the longevity of your press-on nails too. Just taking that shine off, getting the oils off, and pushing back the cuticles. You know, prep is important for keeping your nails on for a long time, and I have not been the best at prep. Sometimes I just don't want to deal with it, and then it's my fault since they pop off. Here I had a mistake where the glue actually took off some of his shirt when I pressed on the nail. I felt so bad. I was like, oh man. But this is if it happens to your art too, these mistakes, you just fill it in with a detail tool and it will be fixed so nicely. Love it. And then I just put some velvet matte top coat after it dried, giving it time to do that. Cured it, and it looked just like nothing had happened. So easy fix. Perfect. It looked like nothing had happened with doing that. So the finished look is cute. Thank you for watching my video and being my special subscribers to my channel, and just reviewing this Maniology box. It's well worth it. It is so beautiful. There's so many creative things you could do with this, with the Winne the Pooh. You could make Christmas tags with them, with the stamping. If you're not quite into nails, they do make really nice decorative nail polish stamp tags for Christmas or gift tags. I've done that, and there's just a lot that you can do with nail stamping, not just with nails. So I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I will see you again in the next video.